Hello, today I'm going to show you how to create displaced texts using DaVinci Resolve. We'll be going into the Fusion. As you can see here, this was created using a Fusion composition. Let me play it in a full screen. As you can see, this is what we are going to create. Start it. We have a magnifying glass, which is displaying a magnified text. So this is what we are generally going to create. So to start with, just come here, open a new Fusion composition. You can rename it. Let's say Fusion Comp. Displace. Let's make it 10 seconds long. You can leave the frames at 24 frames per second. Come here and click create, drag confusion display, then bring this CTI over it. Come down here, click the Fusion page. So here we are. Let's increase our window. We have media out, drag it aside. Come here, click on text node, drag it on our viewer, and write what other type displaced. After that, come here and choose a nice font. Let's go with this one. Now X row, increase the size, say something, yeah, this is good. Do it 0.15. Then come here and drag a background. Drag our text out node handle to background, and the text will be a foreground. Then come click our background, come here to inspector and change the color depending on what you like. Let's go with a nice orange. Let's try this nice orange. Click OK. Then next, come here, press tab and type displace node, add, bring it here, hold shift, place it between text and merge. I think that's nice. Then next, we create a generic magnifying glass. You come here, drag an ellipse, bring a background node, drag a background node to our viewer, come here to fit, while an ellipse, just reduce the size. Let's say this is nice. Then come here and uncheck the solids, then increase the border width to create a frame like this. Think this is nice. Then drag a rectangle, place it in between the ellipse and background. Come here, reduce the width, reduce the height. Let's say this size is okay. Zoom in, reduce the width, then rotate 45 degrees, rather negative 45. Let's try negative 45 degrees. Yes, I think that's it. This will be our handle. Drag it, yeah, I think that's okay. Again, copy the rectangle, Control C, Control V, drag the rectangle, holding Shift, just increase the width a little bit, increase the height a little bit, and the width, then drag it, say somewhere there, increase the corner radius, increase the width, let's drag it somewhere here. Yeah, I think that's okay. So that's our magnifying glass. It's a frame. It has no glass in between. So what we're gonna do, come here, arrange these nodes. Bring these nodes here. Then bring our merge tool here. But before that, we had to animate and scale our magnifying glass down. So take transform, reduce the size, click transform into the viewer, reducing the size of our magnifying glass. We'll adjust it later. Let's fit our home. Come to first frame, create a keyframe in the center X and Y. Come here to 48 after 2 seconds. Create a keyframe here. Come here after the next, create let's say 55, create a keyframe, then can come here, let's say 100 frames, create a keyframe, then let's come here around 155, whichever length you may wish to, create a keyframe. So this is how our keyframe should be. Go to keyframe 0, drag our glass all the way out, then go next keyframe, there we are, then go to our fourth keyframe, which is at 100, frame number 100, drag it all the way up to this point, then go to our next keyframe, which is frame 155, drag it all the way up to here. So this is it. Let's adjust this size. So there we are. You can merge it and try and see. You can view them together. Come here, bring this transform here. So this is how it will be. Let's try and play it and see how it will behave. That's it. Pause the animation. Now we want to create the lens. Come here, copy the eclipse, Control C, click in the nodes viewer, Control V, click the node, come to inspector, check the solids, then we need to come and drag a background then we mask it. Let's drag a background into our first viewer. Come here, this is what we have. Let's change this to white. Okay, then we need to displace it. We need to follow our lens, or rather magnifying frame. We come here, come to this transform, copy, then paste an instance, come here, drag this there, drag this there. So this is what we have. You can try and play it and see what we have. Nothing changed. So what we'll have to do, let's pause, let's come here, go to displace, refraction strength, increase, come here, play, okay. Let's adjust our frames such that at frame, let's come to transform, click here, at this frame, just adjust it so that you can see this letter D. Then the next keyframe, adjust it so that you can also view this letter D there. There we are. Good. Then next, let's fix this cut here. What you can do is come to this handle, zoom in, drag it inward a little bit. There. Now we are good to go. It fits. Let's view this eclipse. Little bit. There. The next, click our transform into spline. We're going to create some ease in, ease out. Just click, then F4. Click this button here, highlight, press S, or you can click this. As you can see, this is what we have. Then you can come here, hold Alt and drag it down there. Same here, hold Alt, holding Alt, drag it down till the handle are flat. Here, hold Alt, drag it up there, and here we are. Everything is nice, so you can try and play it and see what we have. You come here and fix this little bit. Now there we go. Click this spline, go into the edit tab, and let's see. Let's click play here, see what you have. This was the first one. Let's see the second one. Oh, not showing. Let's see what might be the problem. I'm here. Oh, we did not connect. We forgot to connect to media out. There we go. Come back to media. This is what we have. We play both. That was the first one. That's the second one. We click this network space. I'm here to viewer mode, cinema viewer. This is what we have. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you.